I understand you had some sort of training with Elaine Ingham. Can you describe your relationship with that person and what how it's contributed to what you're doing now?
Yeah, that's pretty much how I got started doing this. I took a class with Elaine through my school, and it was a month-long class at Maharishi University of Management in Fairfield, Iowa. And I had an aha moment there where I was like, this is exactly what I want to do. And I want to learn only from Elaine. So I went to apprentice with her for a month on the microscope because I had no skills using a microscope and wanted to get that down and knew that I needed to. I apprenticed with her for a month at Rodale Institute. They liked me a lot and wanted to bring me on. So they got a grant for me to come on as the compost research specialist or compost production specialist, and I worked side by side with Elaine. She was the chief research scientist at the Rodale Institute, and if anyone hasn't heard of the Rodale Institute, it's a 333 acre organic farm that started in the 60s, I believe. I'm not for sure on that, but they've done a lot to help change rules and regulations in the organics industry. But anyway, yeah, I spent a little over a year with Elaine, actually lived with her on site and became very close with her, put on presentations with her. We did research with compost teas and compost extracts on a large and small scale on and off the farm there. And yeah, I was basically just a sponge absorbing everything she had to teach me and learned most of what I know from her. And then I've gone on to um, teach myself other things, getting more into fungi and mushrooms, and I've really gotten more into worm compost, and kind of having Rhonda Sherman from North Carolina State University be another mentor to me.